Hey y'all, this is Ryan Schwab with the Luchak Group at Keller Williams Client's Choice Realty. We're here again at another great listing, 5749 Whiskey River Drive in Colorado Springs. This stunning two-story home has a ton of great features, including 5 beds, 4 baths, a 3-car garage, and just over 3,800 square feet of living space. At $618,000, this home is not one that you're going to want to miss. Let's go take a look inside. As you step through the main entryway, you'll be greeted by the timeless elegance of the large formal and dining rooms. The immaculate kitchen, complete with a gas stove and beautifully renovated finishes, serves as the heart of the home, seamlessly flowing into the adjacent entertaining area. A versatile playroom or office provides the perfect space for work or leisure, while a spacious mudroom and laundry, conveniently located off the 3-car garage, ensure that daily tasks and clutter never reach your main living space. Venture upstairs to discover the luxurious primary bedroom retreat, complete with a full attached bathroom suite for the ultimate in relaxation and comfort. 3 additional bedrooms offer ample space for family, guests, or even an additional office space. Descend with us to the fully finished basement, where you'll find a full-size bedroom, renovated bathroom, and an abundance of entertaining space, perfect for gatherings of any size. With ample storage throughout, this lower level effortlessly combines practicality with style, offering endless possibilities for customization and enjoyment. Outside, a new pergola in your oversized backyard provides some shelter from the elements, while a convenient built-in storage shed offers additional space for outdoor essentials. Situated on nearly a 1/4 acre lot, residents of 5749 Whiskey River Drive enjoy access to top-rated schools, beautiful parks, and the vibrant shopping and dining destinations of the Powers Corridor, all just minutes away from your doorstep. Experience the height of luxury living in Indigo Ranch at Ridgeview, a place where sophistication meets convenience and every detail has been meticulously crafted for the discerning homeowner. Thank you so much for joining us on our tour of 5749 Whiskey River Drive. As always, this home is going to come back with our 14-month Blue Ribbon home warranty. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, Ryan Schwab, at 806-316-9514, or visit us online at makespringshome.com. Welcome home.